So I seen these at the dollar store for $1, right? I should have grabbed it. I had to bribe him to come with me. This whole experience has just been sad. Uh-oh. Yay. So today, you guys, I'm taking you with me on a couple of errands and just my day-to-day, basically being a mom. Yeah, so we're starting off with Zion's dentist appointment because he's due to have braces in August, but I kind of want to push it further, like move it up some so that he's more comfortable with his mouth because I know he's gonna be sore, and August is like right around the time that school starts here, so I don't want him juggling both. Oh my god, excuse the planet on the side of my face. It's going through the drying process, and let me not touch it. So yeah, let's go ahead and head in because we're close to his time. What's that? Came to the food, and this is like an all-you-can-eat, so we normally just gauge it on how we feel. Go ahead, babe. Working. This is my office for today. Oh, he's over there dancing around. So yes, this is mom life. Work and fun.
Heard you with a shooting guard. Just let a nigga know I would have you courtside, not the middle row. All good love in a minute though. I can't stress about no bitch cause I'm a timid soul. Plus I'm cooking up ambition on the kitchen stove. Pot start to double see the suds, that shit good as gold. Hoes say I'm suave, but I can't get me cold. Bro think he John Wayne.
1 hour later.
I'm gonna go ahead and get into these tacos because I seen that they were good. I don't know what this is. I hope this ain't the consomme. It smells like it is. I mean, the tacos that I've had is heavier than that, so we'll see. Let me see what this be about. The watermelon juice is alright. Okay. I'm going to dress it up because the onions are separate and such. So go lay down. You disrespected the house. I was gone. And he went into the trash. He went in the trash. Oh. I'm gonna dip it in this broth. Alright, so my honest opinion is that meat fire, the breading could have been what is that called? Seasoned more? Like, as far as like the, what is that called? The broth that they fry it in or whatever. But yeah, so on the scale, I would give it probably like a 6 out of 10. Yeah, because the meat's really good. The meat is fire, but the execution of it all. Very mid. So yeah, all right.
I'm dead. I'm up.
He's over it. We're walking a trail. That's what I meant. Yes, he's actually a good swimmer. He's just kidding. No. Yes, he is. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, let's go back. Because I can only handle this much. And two, I don't got no cover on my phone. We out here raw dogging it. Yeah. How was that? Horchata is not nasty. Getting ready to go out. As you can see earlier, we had went to the beach and I just needed that mental reset. So I'm whispering right now because my son is knocked out. That's always a plus. After the beach, he just sun drunk. So, but now we're about to go bowling. Ready? You guys can't really see, but I'm ready. I'm wearing this cute little sweater from Forever 21. My jeans are Kendall and Kylie, and they actually fit really good. I haven't decided what shoes I'm gonna wear. I did my hair. Looking good, smelling good. I put on the MAC Creme de la Creme, one of my top 10 favorite summer smells. But yeah. All right, so we're gonna go bowling and I'll see you guys in a little bit. This thing is so cute. It's like, thank you.
Think he John Wayne. I bought them yellow stones, let the way they hang, babe. For the silicone, everybody fake now. You could crack the code, bust down everything. Set in rose gold.
So hey you guys, I am currently in my car. That was a glass water bottle from the beach. Have you guys, like, literally, I need to clean my car. The sheet is still in the back seat. There's probably sand everywhere. So yeah. So as you guys can see, I'm in my car because I'm currently going to a farmer's market this morning. Just a quick transparency thing. So I woke up not really feeling like myself, or like I woke up feeling kind of sad. I don't know why. I mean, I kind of do know why, but like, girl, snap the fuck out of it. Like, we don't got time for this. Life is too short, and you need to live in the moment. Because, okay, another transparency story, but I have anxiety and depression. So when I get in these ruts, they last for so long, and I'm not talking about like a couple days, a week. No, sis. Like a whole month, 2 months, up to a year, 2 years, 3 years. Like literally, I feel like I've been depressed for, I want to say 5 years straight. My life has taken such a huge turn in such a little bit of time. It's just, it's crazy. And then to be real, I'm a single parent, so everything that I go through, I try and shield it from my son because he doesn't need to see that. He's so innocent. I want to keep him that way. So, you know, you kind of got to like put that shit to the back. And that's another reason why when I'm feeling really down and I have him, I don't like to stay in the house. I like to actually fill our days with doing stuff, and then possibly, hopefully, that makes me motivated to come home and clean and do all that. Because if you know, if you suffer from depression and anxiety, your life becomes a wreck. Like, your house is a mess, your car is a mess, just everything's a fucking mess, and you just feel like everything is falling apart, and all you can do is take a nap. Like, we don't have time for that. So I need to get up, start feeling myself again. So I figured we'll go to the farmer's market and see if we could do like some, I don't know, immune boost shots, like, you know, with ginger, turmeric, and stuff like that. Oh, that's cute. See? Good. I'm glad. Now I can follow your real Instagram. No, I'm just kidding.
You can if you want.
These are nice.
I think this one.
That cute waistband.
My favorite.
Yeah.
And then green.
Ooh, the green one is pretty too.
I like those.
Okay, really good.
This one. Thank you. Hi. Sorry, I don't want to break it. Can I have a business? Some good guacamole.
Take a show everything. This is ceviche. This is mango shrimp traditional. And fish mahi mahi. This is mango pico de gallo. They want it spicy.
So that was fun. Definitely would recommend. And that's the farmer's market at Creation State Park. But I'm gonna come back probably next week or another Sunday or something like that, because I want Zion to be there when we do the historic tour. I feel like that would be pretty lit, just for him to like kind of know his history and stuff like that, because you know he's from here, so it's cool to find out things that about where you live. Like, hey, fun fact, such and such, whatever. But yeah, so now I'm looking for a cute little quaint coffee shop, and I doubt that I will find it. These are the times that I miss Colorado so much, outside of this heat being unbearable. But you cannot find a cute coffee shop, you cannot find good eats, meaning like good healthy vegan spots, or just, you know, healthy spots, period. But yeah, so now I'm just looking around for something, and I think I'm going the wrong way, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my GPS to get me back to civilization. It's from so cute. Yes, love them. Business card. And she had like those cute little baskets. I low-key want one, so I'm gonna have to find her again. I got some honey. Oh, shit. I was trying not to drop it. But I bought some honey, and I bought this cute little thing to go with it. It's for the aesthetics, because I really don't want to use it. And I think you're supposed to use it when you're grabbing the honey, right? And I got some of the best guacamole in the universe. That's what the man was saying. And it actually is really good, so I had to buy it. I got some of that. So that's that for that. That's that for that. I also bought these cute little candles. So this one is white tea white tea ginger, and this one is coconut, and it's from the Naples Candle Company. And funny fact, that wasn't the girl that I follow, so yeah. But anywho, she was like, no, my Instagram is definitely like fat cat something, so yeah. But shout out to her, because she was so cute. So yeah, but yeah, so I got honey, guacamole, let's see, some candles, this cute little honey stick thing, and some waist beads. This shit is so fire. Oh my god. I will drop his information down below, but he has so many dips like ceviche, mango and shrimp, pineapple and shrimp. But I'll drop it down below. I'm making this for lunch, and then most likely gonna go to the gym. So I'll see you guys then. There is a frog on my belt. Ah, no! Oh no.
Like I'm J. Cole, I can tell her hair good before I even know. Bitch, don't tell me that you niggas like I'm J. Cole.